During my childhood, it wasn't as easy to find a software tutor who has hands-on projects experience, one that can save me time and guide me on how to achieve high results with less effort. My name is Ahmed Elmalla, and I'm a software tutor with years of experience in software projects. My software are running inside systems in US, Germany, Brazil, and Malaysia. I enjoy teaching children because they are more receptive. I teach AB College Board Computer Science Exam Strategies. I also teach Java using Duke University syllabus, while I teach Python and PHP using University of Michigan syllabus. I will teach Android apps projects in Java and website development projects using PHP. I am working on AI solutions that can predict diseases using vital health science. Contact me now to book your trial lesson. Bye.